Abay talagang ginanahan dito si Austin Reeves dito sa laban nila sa Brooklyn Nets. Lalo nagbabalik nga dito si D'Angelo Russell para sa LA Lakers. Pero bilang magkalaban na dito sila ni Austin Reeves, well, ever since kasi naalis dito si D'Angelo Russell dito nga sa team ng Lakers, ay napunta lahat kasi dito ng responsibility dito ni D'Lo. Dito na nga kay Austin Reeves pagdating na nga dito sa pagiging point guard. At hindi lang mga pre ay mukhang natututo na nga at nahahasa dito sa ilang ulit na reps na kanyang mga nakukuha. Pagdating na nga sa point guard position para sa Lakers, talaga nagkakaroon na rin siya dito ng pagpe-playmake dito nga sa team ng Purple and Gold. At sinabi niya rin talaga na mas komportable daw siya dito sa pagiging point guard. At kanya naman itong ginawa at nagkaroon siya nga dito ng career high points with 38 points. At hindi lang yung mga pre ay siya ang pinakamahabang na ilaro dito with 37 minutes. At ito rin isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit nanalo dito ang kanyang team ng LA Lakers. At atin naman dito ngayon highlight sa kanyang mga pinuntos nga dito sa laban nila sa Brooklyn Nets na talaga naman ang grabe ang naging kanyang ditong performance.
2 times all defense. He was the steals champ in the league 1 year. Backhand layup by AR. Boys in uniform tonight. Hachimura. Reeves. 3. Yes! Here. That's how inactive he has been. Austin goes all the way to the rim and lays it up and in. Russell. Claxton. Turning off. Pocket picked. Here comes Reeves all the way to score. Against Miami with 3. And that's really turning it over this quarter. Again!
From LeBron, and look at this. He gets 3 players there, but nobody really.
Of his NBA career. Reeves forces his way in and stops on a dime, Stu. It's LeBron. To the basket again. Oh, cutting down the middle was Reeves to score. Would he always survive this one? We move on to the game with the Clips on Sunday. Reeves in there. He's got a 3. About to move up the chart in yet another category. Reeves over the defender. He earns it. Reeves looking to get into the paint. He does. He pulls up and scores again. 7 out of 12. It's a 5-point Laker lead. Reeves again. Reeves again. LeBron holding on to it under 4 minutes. Reeves feels like shooting every time. He is shooting every time. He's shooting it. Rui. Here come the Lakers. Reeves. LeBron. Finish it. Finish.
At ayan ang mga pre ang pagpapakita na nga dito ni Austin Reeves na kanya dito matinding performance. Talaga naman na nakapagtala siya dito ng kanyang career high points. Kanya na ito napatunayan dito sa pagiging full-time point guard na position para na nga dito sa kanilang team ng LA Lakers.